Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group here with my review of Email Ramp Agency Edition, which launched on the 9th of May at 11 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review video, I'm going to go through this great new release from Neil Napier, which will show you how you can create high converting emails in 5 minutes without writing a single word. Plus, with an agency add-on, it means that you can very easily set this up as a service to sell to your clients. So it's basically a set of 500 done-for-you emails that convert in a wide range of niches. So if that sounds like something that's of interest to you, then listen on to this review video. I'll also be going through the custom bonuses that I've put together if you pick up Email Ramp Agency Package from the official Elite Tigers Group link immediately underneath this review video. To get these 5 custom bonuses, which I've put together particularly to improve your chances of succeeding with this product, you will need to click on any of these green buttons here before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point they will expire. Now, I wouldn't want that to happen, as I've gone to a lot of length in putting them together, and as the title suggests, they are custom bonuses, which means they're exclusive to me. Now, having said that, do feel free to go and have a look and see what other affiliates are offering with their copies of Email Ramp Agency Edition, because don't forget, you can always come back to this page, return to this YouTube video when you realize that the bonuses that I'm offering are way better and way more useful in helping you than what any other affiliate is offering. So, what is Email Ramp? Well, Email Ramp was originally a product in its own right, but it's been updated and added to with this agency edition. Thousands of local businesses are looking for people to help them get new leads and customers, and you can help them fill that problem by providing them with a series of emails that they can send out to clients that are proven to convert. Now, you should watch both this sales video, which is just on the sales page, which you will get to from clicking through from my bonus page, and you should also watch the demo video, which is on my bonus page. Just
Hi there, this is Neil Napier, and in this video I'll give you a walkthrough of exactly what Email Ramp is, what it contains, and how you can use it.
So there you go. That's a complete walkthrough demo there from Neil Napier himself, showing you how you can set the product up and how you can set emails up, and, you know, depending on what your niche, how to choose your niche, find the series, whether you want a single email to send for a particular reason or whether you want an autoresponder series that you can load into your autoresponder. Now, the niches that are covered in this, obviously internet marketing, weight loss, beauty and skincare, online business opportunities, dating, self-help and personal development, cryptocurrency, alternative medicine, parenting and family, local business, e-commerce, video services. The email types are either list nurturing, so that's like bringing a list back to life that perhaps hasn't been responsive recently. Pre-launch, a product launch, storytelling, very popular, with an emotional content, which is actually included in the next one, which is emotional angle. Discount and time-related offers, I suppose you've noticed I use quite a few of those, and re-engagement. And then your agency package includes one-page client acquisition website, brochures, business cards, Facebook ads, Google ads, invoice and letterheads, and proposals and emails. That's all included with your agency package. Now we're over on my page here, so we may as well cover off my 5 custom bonuses. So if you pick this up before that timer reaches 0, you'll get all the following. So the first thing is my own list building masterclass. Now, Neil does run his own masterclass inside the training, and obviously it's very good. He's very good. But this is a list building masterclass from an associate of mine. It's over an hour of content and it covers the A to Z of email marketing, of list building, and will show you everything that you need to know to build a huge list. And closely aligned to that is my email marketing masterclass. And again, this is about an hour and a half of content showing you exactly the best way to market using emails. You can have brilliant emails like you will get in this collection from Neil, but you need to know how to use them. And it's always good as well, I think, as well as having an actual explanation of how you do something, it's always good to have a case study of someone that's been very successful. And Brendan Mace, who's a super affiliate, is one of the kings of email marketing accepted in the super affiliate land. And this will show you, it's a one-on-one interview showing how he built a massive list. The next two I'm going to do are related to the agency package. So the first thing is, again, this is a huge masterclass, about an hour and a half of training, showing you how to run a profitable web agency. So if you quite like the sound of the agency package and selling to local businesses, but you don't really quite know how to get started, well, we've got you covered with this masterclass on how to run a web agency. And secondly, this masterclass on setting up and running a Facebook advertising agency. Obviously, inside your agency package, you've got the capability to make Facebook ads. So let's exploit it. And we can run a double agency here, a web agency and a Facebook advertising agency, and offer our email marketing services as well. So there's absolutely stacks of bonus material in here. I hope you can see hundreds of dollars, in fact, of custom bonuses, which hopefully will make pricking up from my link under here a no-brainer decision for you. So let's go back to the main sales page. Many businesses struggle with getting new leads and then converting these leads to customers. That's where you come in. You don't need to be a lead gen or email marketing expert. Neil and the team are going to help you. All right, some testimonials here as you'd expect. So there's two ways that you can use this product. Either you can use it for personal use. Obviously, the money is in the list, as you've heard, but it'll only work if you send the right emails. So if you have a list or you're planning to build one, part of what you're going to get in this secret asset we want to give you will help you in the follow-up. You'll be able to write emails that people will want to open, read, and take whatever action you want. In case you don't know, there are marketers with a small list but who are making more money than those with a big email list because of the way they're interacting with it, and their secret is to access what we'll show you today. So if you just want to use this for your own personal email marketing and to interact with your own list, then this is great. But if you also want to use it to build up an agency where people can pay you $1,000 to $2,000 a month for doing agency work, then you can also do that with this product. So this is we went through this. These are the type of emails that are included: list nurturing, emotional selling, and so on. The niches we've gone through as well. And if you want to help other businesses, then you can with the agency edition. So you've got access to over 499, it's 500 obviously, folks, proven and convert emails, fully tested and proven to bring massive sales. It comes with a complete agency pack, great for both newbies and veteran marketers, developed by A-level copywriters. It means they're top level. It doesn't mean for those in the UK that they've just got one A-level. All right. Save yourself money, time, and energy. Get better results. Become recognized as a top email copywriter. Nothing to install and words on any device. For those in the States, by the way, that email A-level reference is a reference to an examination that we have over here, which is lower than a college degree education. Easy to set up and use, amazing support, and proven product. This is the same demo video that you'll see on my bonus page. Obviously, you could outsource this. It will cost you loads. Here are the vendors' bonuses. So firstly, a free list building webinar with Neil Napier. That is really good. He's an email marketing guy. Second bonus is a premium ebook, Email Marketing Hack. The third bonus, 100 powerful subject lines. The fourth bonus is a 5-minute daily blueprint. The fifth bonus is a Facebook ad video course, very valuable. And these are your two options. So you've got your personal use or your agency use. You only get 250 emails, by the way, with the personal use one, because you don't get all this agency package stuff, yeah? And all you get with the personal one is you get the list nurturing type of email. So you don't get the pre-launch, product launch, storytelling, emotional angle, discounts and re-engagements, all that stuff, yeah? All that good stuff. So there's only a $3 difference. So I would say, really, you know, even if you are not really planning on doing the agency, it's worth paying the $3 to get all this extra stuff, isn't it? So $24 for the light option, I suppose you'd call that, or $27 for the full agency package. And that is pretty much it. Neil offers, obviously, an unconditional 30-day money-back guarantee. You may have seen his recent sort of page builder and sort of ClickFunnels substitute, Kyvio, which went well with our list as well. You know, he produces heavyweight material, really does Neil, and this is actually a cheap sales entry point for one of his products. They normally retail for quite a lot more than this, so I would say that you're getting a pretty good bargain here for one of Neil's products for just $27 if you pick it up early on this front end. So let's have a quick look at the upsells. So the first upsell is the Email Ramp Club, which is $17 a month, or a one-off lifetime payment for $97. Or if you fancy trying this out first, you can have a $1 7-day trial. And what you get for that is you get autoresponder integration. That means you can send the entire sequence of these emails directly to your autoresponder for sending out, so you don't need to enter it manually. You'll also get a team license and 100 new emails a month. That seems to me a pretty good deal for 17. And as I said, you have got the option of a trial there. The second upsell is the email writing playbook. This will give you 60 minutes of training on how to write high converting emails for any offer. So that's video training, and that one costs 47, I think 49. Okay. And then the last upsell, 197, which is, where are we? 100 done for you funnels, lead magnets, full products, and 300 autoresponder emails delivered in packages every single week. So that is, like, you know, a really good upsell offer as well, with loads of content. So do have a serious consideration of that one. But I'd certainly recommend joining this Email Ramp Club because of the fact that you can effortlessly load these into your autoresponder and send them automatically. So that's pretty much it, folks. Pretty good product as usual from Neil Napier. I hope that you will pick it up from me and pick up all of these additional bonuses here. Don't forget to get them. All you need to do is to click on any of these green buttons before that timer reaches 0. That will take you back through to the sales page. You just need to go down to the bottom, make the pretty easy decision on taking this one rather than the $24 one, and then you will come back into the back office at Warrior Plus. You click on the green button to access your copy of Email Ramp, and then you click on the blue button to access my bonuses. So all that remains then is for me to thank you as ever for watching and indeed listening to this review video. This has been Dawood Islam of the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Email Ramp Agency Edition.